To keep your air conditioner working properly, it's important to clean and maintain it regularly. A dirty or neglected AC unit won't run as efficiently, it will increase your energy bill, and it won't last as long as it should. In a previous video, we showed you how to properly clean or replace your air conditioner's filter, and in this video, you'll learn how to inspect and maintain the cooling and condenser coils. Have you ever opened up an AC unit and been amazed with how dirty it was? Tell us about it in the comments below. When room air gets drawn into the AC unit, it typically passes through the air filter and then through the coils before getting pushed back out into the room. The air filter catches most of the dust and debris, but over time you'll find buildup on the coils, lowering their performance and efficiency. Occasionally removing the buildup will help your AC unit last longer and work better. To inspect the cooling coil, you typically need to remove the front grill and the air filter. That should give you open access to the coil for an inspection and any cleaning you need to do. You can carefully vacuum off the coil, being careful not to bend or damage it. You can also use a soft bristled brush like a paintbrush to clear away any dust and debris before vacuuming. If you can't quite reach every part of the coil, we recommend removing the full front panel. To fully access the condenser coil, you'll likely need to remove your AC unit's outer covering. This will also give you access to the unit's fans, which can build up with dust and debris. Give everything a good vacuum, including the backside of the condenser coil, since this is where you'll find the biggest buildup. Take care not to damage the coils or any of the electrical components, and your AC unit should be good to go again. Thanks so much for watching. What other videos should we make that you'd find helpful? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.